This is the SLK EVO HybridMax by Selkirk. Selkirk is a very well-known company, known for being a leader in the pickleball industry. I myself own many paddles from Selkirk. This one, though, is one of my favorites. This is the blue version. This is made of G9 Power carbon fiber, and if you look closer, you can see the SpinFlex spin surface. Personally, that is one of my favorite features of this paddle. The ball control and spin consistency is amazing. The handle is 5.25 inches long and covered with a very comforting ultra grip material. It feels very soft in my hand and absorbs sweat really well. It weighs 7.55 ounces, so it's a lightweight carbon fiber paddle. It is 16 inches long and 7.85 inches wide. I have this paddle for about 6 months and I play about twice a week with it. I really love it, not just because of the color, but how it feels in my hand, how much my game has improved with shot position, touch, and control. If you're getting serious about pickleball, I would definitely recommend giving this paddle a try. I'm sure you won't regret it.